Samsung's One UI 9, built on Android 17, is set to bring a major boost in functionality and user experience across Galaxy devices. Expected to roll out in late 2026, the update will likely debut on new flagship foldables before reaching other devices like the Galaxy S26 series. One UI 9 focuses on deep ecosystem integration and productivity enhancements, including features like a universal clipboard to copy and paste content seamlessly across devices, do not disturb syncing to unify settings across gadgets, and improved AI-powered tools for smarter device interactions. Users can also expect smoother multitasking, especially on foldable screens, refined gesture controls, and a polished visual design that makes navigation more intuitive. Overall, One UI 9 aims to strengthen connectivity, streamline workflows, and elevate the overall Galaxy experience by fully leveraging Android 17's capabilities.